Hey everyone, so I'm back with sharing some things that I purchased from Jessica Marvel's Facebook shop. She's selling embellishments over there. I will put the links in the description down below. So let's have a look at what I picked up. So the first thing to say, it came in a really beautiful pink envelope on the outside, and then inside was this black tissue paper with a gorgeous thank you in silver. And then also I had, it's not in here right now guys, I was so eager to open it. I don't know what I've done with it now, but it had a beautiful pink and black thank you card from Jessica, and then inside were these beautiful goodies. And so I chose to get these cookies that she's made, and there was different color selections, and these are the ones that I picked. So we have like the Dammy Georgia and the swells and everything. This was the pink, I think pink and white selection, and I also got it in the red and white. I've already started using these. I actually got 2 packs of this of these strawberries, beautifully packaged in, I don't think you can see it, the sun just decided to come out. So as you can see, it's all beautifully packaged in this holographic little pouch. I'm going to get them out. And then there they are. So these are the beautiful strawberries in pink and red. Gorgeous. Can't wait to use these ones. I've already used 1 pack. I did order 1 pack. And these as well. They were just too cute to leave out. So I picked up these. Oh, there we go. So they are the red and white. Gorgeous. Got pretzel. She's actually used some, I don't know, is that like Nouveau drops or something else that has dimension on there, and it just picks it up really nicely. And then, as I said, the pink and white. So really happy. It was beautifully packaged. So as I said, I will leave her links down below. Thank you, Jess, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.